Hi everyone, today I'm making stew beans. These are the ingredients that you guys are gonna need. So let's start. Put your beans with 1 garlic and 6 cups of water. Put it to boil for 45 minutes. So let's make our sazon. I'm gonna use red onions, the garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano, and 1 spoon of tomato paste. If you don't have a pilon, just liquid all the ingredients with water. After the 45 minutes pass, let's check our beans. So those beans still need like 15 more minutes. So until we wait, let's make our sazon. So we're gonna put another caldero. So we place our garlic and the sazon that we made in el pilon. We add the onions. The tomato paste, and I'm gonna use 1/2 a caldo de pollo, just the half, just use the half, no more than that. We're gonna add water from the beans and the sazon. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna show you one of my secrets. Is anise seeds. So just put a little bit. This is your first time, so just that. So I'm gonna use this one because I really like it. So we're gonna mix it for 1 minute, and then we're gonna add the sazon into the beans. So we're gonna mix everything. We mix everything. So, and then we're gonna let it simmer for 50 minutes. It's easy. So after 15 minutes, so you guys remember the first glove of garlic that I put inside? So just take it out, found it and take it out. And now we're gonna add 1/2 spoon of sugar, so that's gonna help you with the flavor. So we're gonna add the cilantro and verduras. Don't forget to taste it and see if you need a little more salt. Yes, they ready. Now I'm gonna show you how they look. And trust me, they look so good and tastes delicious. Make your beans. Tell me about your experience. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down there, and thanks for watching.